Welcome to Anatomy of an Impossible Conquest, an exploration of the 1909 North Pole expedition, focusing on the complex logistics and navigation required for this monumental journey. In April 1909, a millennia-old challenge faced humanity, conquering the geographic North Pole. Not a stable landmass, but a violent, shifting ocean of ice. The expedition was spearheaded by Commander Robert E. Peary, the architect driven by Western ambition, and Matthew Henson, the indispensable right-hand man and master of sledges. Ambition alone wasn't enough. Success in the Arctic demanded an unprecedented blend of Western strategy and indigenous survival technology. The SS Roosevelt, the floating fortress, featured a reinforced hull designed to break ice. It served as the fixed forward operating base and a staging ground for the grueling marches. The ship brought them to the edge, but the sledges would carry them into the white void. This image showcases the necessary Arctic gear adopted by the expedition members for survival in the extreme cold. The march was physically draining. Dogs and sledges navigated fractured pressure ridges. Crucial discipline was required to mark caches clearly, despite the constantly shifting landscape, necessitating a continuous shift and adaptation. The team endured harsh conditions, pushing forward across the challenging, icy terrain with their sledges and dogs. Dog teams, expertly handled by the Inuit companions, were vital for transporting supplies across the ice. Navigating the treadmill was a challenge, as the forward march toward the north was counteracted by the lateral drift of the ocean pack ice. Traditional charting was impossible. They were on a treadmill that moved sideways. The SS Roosevelt, a crucial piece of industrial import, transported the team and initial supplies to the edge of the Arctic ice pack. To counter the shifting ice, Peary's team relied on relentless celestial navigation, or dead reckoning. By measuring sun angles in an environment where the ground was a moving ocean, they constantly recalculated their drift. On April 6, 1909, the apex. The support teams were gone. Only 6 men remained for the final push: Peary, Henson, and 4 Inuit companions: Uta, Ejinjingwa, Siglu, and Ukea. The flag was raised over the geographic North Pole. This iconic photo marks the culmination of the expedition, with the American flag raised at the theoretical top of the world. The 1909 expedition stands as a masterclass in extreme logistics, relying on the Peary system, relay caching, indigenous survival integration, and dynamic navigation across a moving ocean.